Thank you very much.
Nĩ gĩkundi kĩa Emmanuel Self Help Group kĩrĩa gĩtongoragio nĩ masista kuma kanitha wa Gatoreki DIOCESE ya Murang'a na kĩrĩa kĩoete itemi rĩa gũkũra arĩa mahutĩtio nĩ thĩna wa meciria kumana na ũhũthĩri wa ndawa cia kũrebia na njohi. Makĩaria hĩndĩ ya igongona rĩa kwambĩrĩrio kwa mũtaratara ũyũ, masista nĩ magwetete hatĩka ĩrĩa arĩa marikĩte thĩna-inĩ ũyũ makoragwo nayo, kuona aingĩ nĩ matirikagwo.
So I started by going to the plots, praying with them, sharing the Bible with them, and then encouraging them so that they would raise their self-esteem and encouraging them that they are good people.
Sasa mimi nakaa kwa mzazi wangu na hawa watoto 10 na watoto 5 ni wakukunywa pombe, wanakunywa sigara, pombe, dawa za kulevya, wanakuwa addicted.
Nikawa addicted huko ndani, nikawa ndani ya pombe. Na nikawa siwezi fanya kitu ingine yoyote bila kwanza kukua, bila kwanza kupata hiyo pombe.
Gikundi giki kauga atĩ kũhe mweke wa kwĩitorora kũrĩ arĩa marĩ na thĩna ũyũ nĩ ũndũ ũhotithĩtie aingĩ ao kwĩmenya na kũgĩa na wendi wa kuma mĩnyororo-inĩ ya ũrebi.
After meeting every day at the plot, we would meet once a month at the church. And as we continued meeting, then Professor Wanderi from MKU found us meeting in the church, and he was encouraged to assist us. So first love them and listen to them. Don't blame them when you see them addicted. It is a disease.
Kwa sasa mimi sipikangi na sikunyongi pombe ya shang'aa. Wale watu wanapika chang'aa, achaneni naye kabisa.
Rũhonge rwa Nakada hamwe na ũrũgamĩrĩri wa kaunti ya Murang'a nĩ amwe arĩa magwetete wagi wa ceceni cia kũrigita arĩa marĩ na thĩna wa ũhũthĩri mũkĩrũku wa njohi na ndawa cia kũrebia ta ũgwati mũnene.
We don't have rehabilitation centers enough in the country, and even the few that are available are so expensive to the extent that there are very few families in this country who can afford.
Wamekuwa wakulima na tumeanza na ukulima wa nguruwe na mbuzi na ng'ombe hata kuku.
Team has grown from very humble beginnings, and now it has grown to a good group, a group that feels a sense of belonging.
Mũnene wa arĩa magunĩkĩte nĩ magathĩrĩirie mũbango ũyũ makiuga nĩ meharĩirie kweherera ũkombo wa mũthemba ũyũ.
Niko na watu kijana 3 hapa wanasomeshwa na Sister Mary. Sasa mimi nashukuru sana, Sister Mary alinisaidia sana. Hao wakijana wako hapa.
Bwanangu alikuwa anakunywa kupindukia, lakini tangu sister alianza hii kikundi, mimi nimeona amebadilika sana. Juu hata wakati huu anaenda kwa kanisa. Na hiyo ni jambo ninamshukuru Mungu kabisa. Juu hata bwanangu ninamwambia, ikiwa ulikuwa wakati huu unakunywa vile ulikuwa unakunywa, saa hii ungekuwa kwa shimo.
Hadunia KAUNTI-INI TV, leto lako ni Bataro wa Mwage.